The problem lies with this fan's iPhone 12 Pro. The gold frame is heavily worn. The screen protector is also full of scratches, but that's not the main issue. The main issue is that although the battery shows a repair warning, when you check the battery health, it still says 82%. What's going on here? If something seems unusual, there's usually a hidden issue. Let me show you from the side. The battery is seriously swollen. It's already pushed the screen open. This means not only is the phone no longer sealed, but there's also a major safety hazard. What phone problems do you have? Tell me in the comments. The battery has lifted the screen, so we don't need to heat it to remove the screen. We just twist the knob and gently pull with a suction cup. What phone are you using to watch this repair video? Some of you might wonder, what does a swollen battery actually look like? Take a look. It looks like this, puffed up like a steamed bun. It looks even more swollen from the side. Stick protective film over the Face ID module. Let's continue disassembling. We just tested it. Although the battery is badly swollen, luckily, the other components are fine. After discussing with the fan, we decided to transplant a new cell into this iPhone 12 Pro. After removing the screen, let's inspect the battery carefully. It appears the battery cell was previously transplanted once. Why? Because the edge sealing tape is clearly not original. We don't know exactly what caused the swelling this time, but we do know we need to transplant the battery cell again today and restore the battery health from 82% to 100%. Use ceramic scissors to cut the encrypted cable, remove the swollen cell, and replace it with our prepared high-capacity cell, 3,320 mAh. Compare the two battery cells. You'll see just how badly swollen the old one was. Okay, let's continue transplanting. Attach the encrypted cable to the new cell. Clamp down the nickel sheets, then use a spot welder to securely weld them together to form a new battery. Once welded, it's very solid. Trim off the extra tabs. Next comes battery appearance finishing. We reapply multiple layers of insulating edge tape to restore the battery's original look. What do you think? Can you tell this battery has been modified? Now comes the most important part. We need to reset the battery health to 100%. First, we temporarily install a dismantled iPhone 12 battery, boot it up and run a self-diagnostic test. To overwrite the battery's original data, some people quietly watch the video but secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Those people are so cute. After running the diagnostics, the original 82% battery health now shows 79%. Don't worry, this is just the dismantled battery we temporarily installed. Now bring in our new transplanted battery, connect it to the motherboard using a special data modifying cable, boot the phone and run the self-diagnostic test again, and after this test, witness the miracle. Battery health now reads 100% because the phone is now reading the health of the new cell we installed. Also, a quick note, to restore battery health like this, the phone must be running the latest iOS. Double check everything. Let's clean off the old waterproof adhesive. If you've watched this far, could you please give a like to support me? Some people quietly watch the video but secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Those people are so cute. After cleaning thoroughly, let's reinstall the device. Apply new battery adhesive. Place the new battery into the housing. Use a battery press tool to roll and press the battery into place. Ensure it adheres tightly to the case. After the repair, people often worry about waterproofing. Whenever we open up a phone, we clean off the old, aged waterproof adhesive and replace it with new one. There are many types of waterproof glue on the market. We usually use this one. It sticks with very high precision. Also, if you stick it crooked, you can easily remove and reapply it. Another type, this one, also sticks fairly accurately, but it's much harder to remove if misaligned. If you try to take it off, you may damage the adhesive strip. The pink one is easy to remove, but that also means it requires external pressure to adhere tightly to the frame. I won't go into detailed comparisons here, but I'll tell you one honest fact. The blue one costs about 2 yuan. The pink one costs about 10 yuan. Big price difference here. We generally use the more expensive one, the official OEM waterproof glue. Okay, let's move on. We reapply the official waterproof glue, but as mentioned earlier, it lacks initial stickiness. So we need to use a pressing tool to apply firm pressure between frame and screen. This is the first round of pressure. Once the screen is installed, we'll do a second round. Now let's talk about swollen batteries after repair. It's actually a matter of probability. Any battery replacement has a chance of swelling. Our replacements also have that risk. There's no such thing as 100% guaranteed perfection. However, with us, if your battery swells within 1 year after the repair, we will offer warranty service, so don't worry. Also, thank you to everyone who sends me gifts in the comments. Your gifts really help me through tough times. After reassembly, we test the waterproof sealing. As expected, the phone passed the test. It's back to its original waterproof level. Hard work pays off. Boot it up again to check battery health shows 100%. No battery warning pop-ups. Done. Finally, as always, we do a full cleaning of the phone. And this iPhone 12 Pro with a swollen battery is now perfectly fixed with a new transplanted cell.